Ever wondered how to transcribe audio messages on WhatsApp? It's so handy when you can't listen to a voice message. Let's quickly learn. First, open WhatsApp and go to a chat where you've sent or received a voice message. Here's one I sent earlier. Now, let's head back to the main screen. Tap Settings. Then go to Chats and scroll down to find voice message transcripts. Just switch it on, it's that simple. Next, pick the language you want the transcript in. If it's not downloaded yet, don't worry, WhatsApp will handle it for you in the background. It only takes a moment. Once that's done, go back to your chat. All you have to do is press and hold on the audio message. Tap Transcribe, and like magic, the transcript will show up right below it. And that's it, you're all set. Pretty cool, right? If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on more awesome tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.